Good morning, traders. What's going on, guys? US session just started off about an hour ago, and we wanted to give you guys a quick mid-market update before things start to ramp up even more. All right, so we put out a video on Monday, our weekly Forex analysis video, where we mentioned that there were a few things that we were looking at, and basically we had a trade of the week, one that we wanted to really let you guys know about and share, and that was that Euro USD. Okay, so here, let's roll the tape real quick on what we mentioned with the Euro USD. Of course, the trade did work out pretty well. I want to show you guys what we mentioned beforehand, and so you guys can now see exactly where we are. We can give you an idea as to what transpired and why that trade worked out. All right, take a look. And right now, we're taking a look at this structure at the moment, and we're basically saying, okay, look, something's got to happen. It's either going to break this low here, all right, or it's going to break the high. Current edge here, which I'm not going to explicitly say, is us assuming that we're going to get a sell side break. Now, so that was actually Kyler's trade idea. I just was the one to mention it on the channel, and so we can do a quick question to Kyler as to why he mentioned that you may see that Euro sell side. What's even funnier is that Kyler accidentally, so Kyler accidentally pushed out that position to like 4,000 people when he was only supposed to be for
50 or so.
And so again, there's hundreds of folks that are hitting us up with that position today, and that's why I wanted to kind of at least say, hey guys, thanks a lot for letting us know that you got in on that trade. That's awesome. But what did you see there on that Euro USD?
Again, that was another fundamental play. So we were looking at, Italy has a government coalition. There was a lot of uncertainty with the coalition, but not only that, there was still a lot of uncertainty with manufacturing and stuff in the Euro area. So there was a lot of that just like compiled together. And we also saw a big rally in the Euro. So you're asking yourself, is it actually sustainable when everything else I just listed is still at play?
Exactly. Yeah. Where's all these buyers coming from?
Exactly.
Why are people buying into the market?
Yeah.
And so when you start to get irrational buying behavior, selling behavior, whatever it is, we start questioning that, and then that's where our trading opportunity comes on in. So we'll take a look real quick right here on the actual position. I'll head over to the 4 hour, which is, you're actually looking at things on the hourly, but we ended up pushing it out there as more of a day, it wasn't intraday, but we knew that this was a trading opportunity that could really come and go within the next 48 hours, 36 hours or so. It just happened to take a few extra days, but it looks pretty good. So nevertheless, again, we mentioned that, hey, this is an area that we could see markets break sell side. As with every position, right, we do have a calculated formulation of events that need to transpire. Basically, we coin them as our conditions. That we say, hey, if all these things happen, then technically we have an opportunity. And so that's what, again, our academy folks, if you guys are still wanting to execute on that, that is what all of our guys are learning on that end. But those set of conditions transpired for us, and then boom, we ended up getting our trading opportunity. So now what was interesting about this one was Kyler did not have a take profit. What's up with that, dude? Why didn't you have a take profit?
I defy all odds, but I don't know. I think there's a lot more longer-term potential to that, to the downside.
Yeah.
And obviously we're in here to try to let these winners run. I think that's a possible scenario.
There it is. There it is. That's the biggest thing.
Maybe we could get a break of the low.
Right.
But the only way we're actually going to do that is obviously if those fundamentals allow us. Yeah, I think there's a lot more downside to that, just based on all those fundamentals I previously listed.
Yeah. So if we get a break of the low, that'll be our 2019 low for the Euro USD, and that's a whole nother world of opportunity. So yeah, stops are rolled into profit. This trade is pretty much locked in, but again, you have to have those outsized returns on those few positions. Out of 10, 15 trades, you can have 1 or 2, maybe 3 positions that just performed outstandingly well, and usually that's because you didn't cap your upside. All right, usually that's because you trailed that stop. Usually you only know to do that when you are trying to play a larger fundamental idea, a larger fundamental ideology, right? So guys, that's what's happening right there on that Euro USD. We're still keeping an eye out on a tremendous amount of other opportunity. If you guys have any questions for us, let us know. Again, there is a lot going on, and we still see that there is a lot more to tackle also. So throw some questions. Let us know also if you got in that trade inside the comment section below. I want to know how many folks ended up executing in that position. Also, guys, like and subscribe. If you need, again, any more help, click the link in the bio. You guys can schedule a call with us. That's about it. All right, we'll see you guys later. Peace.